How to prevent the spread of cold, flu, germs, and COVID-19 in 5 simple steps. Step number 1. Wash your hands more often. Wash your hands with water and soap frequently to prevent the spread of germs or viruses that might inhabit your hands. Frequently wash your hands at least for 20 seconds every day. Germs and viruses like to reside in your fingers, fingernail, palms, the back of your hands, and around your thumbs. Ensure to wash these areas thoroughly. When you are done, rinse your hands. Alcohol-based sanitizers can also be used to clean your hands. It is not easy to wash your hands frequently, but please do, because we touch the outside world with our hands. Step number 2. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Touching our faces is something that we do subconsciously, but in this time of the pandemic, please avoid touching your face with unwashed hands. Please be advised to apply scented hand lotion so that the smell can remind you to stop when you reach out to touch your face. You can also use a tissue to touch your face, but do be careful. Step 3. Sanitize all of the surfaces you touch regularly. Each and every day, use disinfecting agents or sanitizing wipes to clean the areas that you will touch either at home or in your workplace. These germs and viruses tend to live in objects for a while, so please stay alert and stay safe. Step number 4. Don't share personal items with other people. We all know that sharing is caring, but this is a time for all of us to protect each other. In order to protect one another, let's not share personal items and tools. It's not hate, but protection. Step number 5. Practice social distancing. If you can work from home, please do so. If you do go to the public, please maintain at least 2 meters away from the next person. Wearing a mask in public would be a great idea that can reduce the spread. Please avoid handshakes, hugs, kisses, and don't touch anything that a sick person might have touched. Let's love and protect each other. Thank you.